This is day 2 of our capital raising automation series. We're diving into the power of AI and also software to turbocharge and simplify your capital raising. 5 essential steps when you're going through a capital raise. First one, preparation. You can utilize AI for your executive summary, your pitch deck. In a short time, you can have everything you need ready to go. Profiling. Over the next 30 days, you're going to learn how to go from unknown to known when you're going through the capital raising process. Promotion. AI helps you create personalized and targeted marketing campaigns to potential investors for your capital raising offer. Presentations. Leverage the power of AI to enhance your pitch deck and craft compelling messages to investors. 5, publish updates. Announcements are the key to this process. By incorporating these 5 steps into your capital raising strategy with the power of AI, you'll be well on your way to achieving fundraising success. Let's supercharge your capital raise together.